Hi friends, can you hear me? Good evening guys, welcome to the rapid revision session. Today we are going to do polity revision guys. Can you hear me? In the comment box, please say hi. In the comment box, just say I'm audible or not. Guys, can you hear me? In the comment box, please say hi. In the comment box, just say I'm audible or not. So I think I'm audible. Hi everyone. We have Mr. Gowda from Bengaluru. We have Surve. We have Pujari. We have Cherry Blossom. We have, Bharat from Bengaluru. We have Priyank. So hi guys, everyone. Just give a thumbs up. If you are ready, give a thumbs up, guys. We'll start. Give a thumbs up. Okay. Chalo, start. Guys, today we will discuss some of the important topics from the Indian polity. We have already covered environment. We have covered IR. We have covered reports. Okay, we have covered schemes. So if you have not gone through those live sessions, go to my YouTube channel and discuss them. Okay, and I have discussed them. Please go through them. Let's start. So guys, as far as Indian polity is concerned, here, most of the questions are static oriented. Okay, the source will be Lakshmikant book. Okay, I have already given important topics. If you have not gone through those important topics, please go through them. Most of the questions, I can assure you, will come from my important topic list. So guys, with this, let us begin. The very first topic today, which I think can come this year, is on preamble. Why, guys? Because this year there was a case which came before the Supreme Court, and there was a challenge to the amendment of the preamble. What was the challenge? The challenge was, can preamble be amended? Without changing the date of adoption? Okay, guys. So first of all, in this, we have to prepare what? First of all, we have to prepare that what are given in the preamble. What is given in the preamble? So preamble is what? Source of authority of the Constitution. What is the source of authority of the Constitution, guys? What is the source of authority of the Constitution? We the people of India. Next is, guys, what? Nature of Indian state. Okay, if you read the preamble, the nature of Indian state is given. Indian state is what? Socialist, okay, secular, okay, then democratic, okay, then republic. Okay, this is the nature of Indian state. Next, objectives of the Constitution. What is the objective of Constitution? Equality, justice, freedom. These are the what? Okay, objectives of the Constitution. And last is adoption. Guys, what is the date of adoption of the Constitution given? What is the date of adoption in the Constitution given? Can anybody tell in the comment box? What is the date of adoption given in the Constitution? Quickly. Everyone, guys, quickly. What is the date of adoption given? Guys, what is the date of adoption given? Quickly. I need answer. Last year, I think UPSC asked that question. What is the date of, okay, what is the date of adoption? Quickly. Okay. So, guys, the preamble was amended once. What was that? It was amended by the 42nd Amendment. Okay, it was amended by 42nd Amendment, 1976, and words were added: socialist and secular. Socialist and secular was added, and unity of nation was replaced by unity and integrity of the nation. Unity of the nation was replaced by unity and integrity of the nation. So guys, this is very, very important. This is very, very important. Okay, guys. So is preamble the part of Indian Constitution? Yes, preamble is part of the Indian Constitution. It was given in the Keshavananda Bharati case. Okay. Can preamble be amended? Yes, preamble can be amended because it is part of Constitution. So it can be amended also. Okay. So always remember this 26 November 1949, very, very important. Okay. 26 November 1949, very, very important date. Last year UPSC asked question on that. Okay. So you can expect, okay, preamble question. You can expect preamble question, guys. Preamble is kind of a, okay, a mirror to the Constitution. Okay. Through preamble, we will get to know what is there in the Constitution. It's an introduction to the Constitution. It is an introduction to the Constitution. Through it, we get to know exactly what is there in the Constitution. Okay, this is very important. But remember, preamble may be amended, but without impacting the basic structure doctrine. Without impacting the basic structure doctrine. Okay, very, very important. Okay, I hope you know what is basic structure doctrine. Keshavananda Bharati case, that the basic structure of the Constitution cannot be changed. Okay, guys, let us go to the next question. Okay, next topic. Guys, next topic is India versus Bharat. India versus Bharat controversy. Guys, can you tell me which article of the Constitution, which article of the Constitution talks that India is a Bharat? Guys, quickly, which article of the Constitution? Quickly, which article of the Constitution? I need answers, guys. I need answers quickly. Guys, it is not a one-way communication. This is a revision class and I want you to participate. I want you to give answers because I'm not here to lecture here because we are just 10 days, 15 days, okay, from the examination. And most of you must be knowing this. Article 1. Okay, India, that is Bharat. Okay, so what is India? India is a union of state. India is a union of states. So please read Article 1. Very important. Please read Article 1. Guys, in which article the names of the states and union territories are mentioned? Guys, in which schedule of the Constitution? In which schedule of the Constitution, okay, names of states and union territories are mentioned? Guys, in which schedule of the Constitution, the names of states and union territories are mentioned? Quickly, everyone, I want answers. Quickly, guys, I'm reading all your comments. Sindhuja is saying Article 1. Ayush Sharma is saying Article 1. Mr. Buddy is saying Article 1. Super. Schedule 1. Okay, so you should know all the schedules. Schedule 1. Okay, this is very, very important. Schedule 1. Okay, guys, next question. Okay, Lacaille French secularism. Lacaille. Okay, so guys, this year secularism is a very important topic. Secularism is very, very important topic. So what is Indian secularism? What is Indian model of secularism? What is Indian model of secularism? What is Indian model, guys? Equal respect, equal distance, equal respect, equal distance. And third point, guys, third point is what? Okay, that reforms can be brought. Reforms can be brought to the religion. Okay, state can bring reforms. Okay, freedom of religion. But what is French secularism? French secularism, what? Separation of state and religion. Separation of state and religion. Separation of state and religion. Is this clear, guys? Is this clear, guys? Quickly, guys, give me a thumbs up to the video. Guys, give me a thumbs up to the videos. Everyone who is watching, give a thumbs up to the video, guys. Okay, because of request, lot of requests came. Sir, please come for the live session. So I have again resumed the live sessions, guys. Please give a thumbs up to the video. Let us go to the next topic, guys. Next topic, which is very important this year, is the basic structure doctrine. Why basic structure doctrine is important? Because 50 years of basic structure doctrine. 50 years of basic structure doctrine, guys. Basic structure doctrine says that the parliament power to amend the constitution under Article 368 of the Constitution is limited. Again, I repeat, the basic structure doctrine means what? The parliament power to amend the constitution under Article 368 is what? Limited power. Parliament can amend everything in the constitution, including the fundamental rights, but without compromising the basic structure of the constitution. But without compromising the basic structure of the constitution. Very, very important. So what constitutes the basic structure? Supremacy, sovereignty, supremacy of the constitution, sovereignty, democracy, republic, secularism, separation of power, federalism, unity, integrity, welfare of India, okay, judicial review, individual freedom, parliamentary system, rule of law, equality, free and fair election, independence of judiciary, limited power of parliament, access to the justice, reasonableness, okay, Article 32, Article 136, Article 141, Article 142, all these are basic structure of the constitution. Keshav Nanda Bharti case, Keshav Nanda Bharti case, Keshav Nanda Bharti case, Keshav Nanda Bharti case, okay, very, very important, very, very important, guys. As far as amendment to the constitution is concerned, there are three kinds of amendment: simple majority, special majority with ratification of state, special majority with ratification of state. What kind of provisions need ratification of the state, guys? What kind of provision needs ratification of the state? In the comment box, I need answers. What kind of provisions needs ratifications of the state? What kind of provisions need ratification of the state? Quickly. What kind of provisions need ratification of the states? What kind of provisions require ratification of the state? Quickly. Okay, federal provisions. Very good. Federal provisions. You should know the list of the all federal provisions. Okay, guys. Next is evolution of the Keshav Nanda Bharti case. So we have the Shankari Prasad case, we have the Sajjan Singh case, we have the Golak Nath case, we have the 24th constitutional amendment, then we have the Keshav Nanda Bharti case. Okay, then we have the Keshav Nanda Bharti case, then we have the Minerva Mill case, then Vaman Rao case, SR Bommai case, Iyer Coelho case. Iyer Coelho case is very, very important. 9th schedule. Iyer Coelho case, 9th schedule, very, very important. Iyer Coelho case. Okay, guys. Okay, you can see here Shankari Prasad, Parliament has the power to amend the constitution, including the fundamental rights. Then we have the Sajjan Singh case. Then we have the Golak Nath case. Golak Nath case said what? Fundamental rights cannot be amended by the parliament. Then we have the 24th amendment to the constitution. Then we have the 1973 Keshav Nanda Bharti case. Then we have the Indira Nehru case. Then we have the 42nd amendment constitution. Then we have the Minerva Mill case. So this chronology you should know. Chronology, guys. Chronology. You should know the chronology, guys. How many of you remember the chronology, guys? Quickly. Guys, very, very important. Article 13 and Article 368. Guys, Article 13 says what? Any law made by the parliament cannot take away the fundamental rights. Any law taken by the parliament cannot take away the fundamental rights, guys. Very, very important. 9th schedule is very, very important. Guys. 9th schedule protected from what? Judicial review. Protected from what, guys? Judicial review. Guys, this year, two articles very, very important. Is 31B and 31C. 31B and 31C, guys. 31B. Let us now talk about 31B. Okay, what is 31B and 31C? 31B pertains to what? 9th schedule. 31B pertains to what? 9th schedule. Okay, and 31C pertains to what? 31C pertains to what? Guys, 31C pertains to what? Okay, that there are, okay, 31C what? You see here, I'm reading out. No law giving effect to the policy of state towards securing the directive principle of state policy under clause B and C of Article 39 shall be deemed to be void on the ground that it is inconsistent with Article 19, Article 14. Okay, Article 19, Article 14, Article 31 anyways now it is deleted. Right to property we do not have. Okay, guys. So no law which gives effect to Article 39 B and C cannot be held void just because they violate Article 14 and Article 19. Is this clear, guys? Very, very important. 39B, 39C, 39B, 39C, 39B, 39C, 39B, 39C, and okay, Article 31. Okay, Article 31C, Article 14, Article 19. Okay, guys, again I repeat, Article 31C says no law which basically implements Article 39B, 39C can be held null and void, okay, because they violate Article 14, Article 19 of the Constitution. Very, very important. Very, very important. Very, very important, guys. Very, very important. So you need to revise 25th Amendment. Very, very important. You need to revise 25th Amendment. Very, very important. 42nd Amendment. Very, very important. All these things are very, very important, guys. All these things are very, very important. 42nd Amendment. Very, very important. Article 14, Article 19. Very, very important. Okay, guys. Okay. So next you can see here, guys. Okay, Article this 39B, 39C. Okay, 39B obligates the state to direct its policies towards securing of ownership and control of material resources of the community that is distributed to subserve the common good. Article 39C is DPSP states that operation of economic system does not result in concentration of wealth and means of production to the common detriment. So basically all this thing talking about what? Socialist country, socialism. Okay, 39B, 39C talks about what? Socialism. Okay, socialism. And Article 300, okay, now right to property is not a fundamental right, it's a constitutional right. Right to property is not a fundamental right, it is a constitutional right. Right to property is not a fundamental right, it's a constitutional right. Guys, everyone, is this clear, guys? Please remember these amendments, very, very important. 25th Amendment, 42nd Amendment, 44th Amendment. Okay, all these amendments are very, very important. Article 14, Article 19, Article 39B, 39C, Article 31A, 31B, 31C, 31B, 31C. All these things are very, very important. All these things are very, very important, guys. Okay. So, guys, post 1978, 44th Amendment, 1978, basically it deleted, okay, right to property, deleted right to property and made it a constitutional right or legal right under Article 300A. Under Article 300A, very, very important. Under Article 300A, it's a constitutional right. It's not a fundamental right. It is not a fundamental right. It's a constitutional right. Very, very important. Guys, next is the 9th schedule. Next is the 9th schedule. 9th schedule says what? 9th schedule says that all the laws, whether it is the central law or the state law, which if put in the 9th schedule, they cannot be, okay, they cannot be challenged. They cannot be challenged under judicial review. Okay, very, very important. Very, very important. Okay, guys. So the schedule contains a list of central and state laws which cannot be challenged in the court and was added by First Amendment 1951. So First Amendment also is very important. The First Amendment 1951 added 13 laws and later on more than 280 laws have been added. Okay, it was created a new Article 31B along with 31A was brought in order to bring agrarian reforms. In order to bring agrarian reforms. Very, very important. Very, very important, guys. Very, very important. Okay, guys. So remember here, ILO Coelho case. IR Coelho case, remember, IRO Coelho case said what? That all those acts only before the Keshananda Bharti case will be protected. After Keshananda Bharti case, you cannot be protected from judicial review. You cannot be protected from judicial review. Every law will be tested for Article 14 violation, Article 19 violation, and Article 21 violation. After 24th April 1973, which was the Keshananda Bharti case judgment, guys, quickly, everyone is able to understand, guys, everyone is able to understand, guys. I hope everyone is able to understand. 9th schedule, very, very important, favorite topic of UPSC, guys. Okay, guys, do you think these topics are important? Okay, please say yes in the comment box, guys. Is the lecture amazing, guys? Just write AMZ. Just write AMZ in the comment box, guys. If you want these sessions to continue every day, please write AMZ in the comment box, guys. Okay, are you liking these sessions? Every day we will continue. Actually, what happened was history sessions. We have already made a lot of videos in the portal. Please go and watch those videos. Very important, very, very important, guys. History sessions we have already taken. That's why we have not taken the live sessions today. We are resuming the live sessions. Live sessions will go until the prelims examination. A lot of questions from these live sessions are going to come in the UPSC prelims examination. Let me tell you, on the day of exam, you will see a lot of questions which we are discussing are going to come in the UPSC prelims examination. Guys, here I would like to tell you that most of you, please, if you are not taking the full length test, please do take the full length test. Okay, they are very, very important or very important topics. Please do take the full length test, guys. Okay, guys. Okay, let us, last topic, guys, last topic today, Supreme Court Diamond Jubilee. Supreme Court Diamond Jubilee. Diamond Jubilee, Supreme Court. Okay, So guys, you should know the origin of Supreme Court. You should know the origin of Supreme Court. Initially, the Supreme Court had what? Chief Justice and 7 judges. Chief Justice and 7 judges. Today we have 34 judges, including the Chief Justice. This means what? The strength of Supreme Court has increased. Who has the power to increase the judges? Who has the power to increase the number of judges, guys? Who has the power to increase the number of judges? Guys, quickly. Who has the power to increase the number of judges in the Supreme Court? In the comment box, I need answers. I need answers. I need answers. I need answers. Who has the power? Who has the power to increase the number of judges in the Supreme Court, guys? Quickly. Who has the power? Parliament. Very good. Parliament. Very good. Parliament. Very good. Parliament. Most of you are answering correctly. Most of you are answering correctly, guys. So for today, okay, who has the power to appoint the Supreme Court judges? Who has the power to appoint the Supreme Court judges? It is the President. It is the President, but on the suggestion of collegium, on the suggestion of collegium, on the suggestion of collegium, on the suggestion of collegium. Okay, you should know collegium also, the composition of collegium, the creation of collegium, first judge's case, second judge's case, and third judge's case. First, second, and third judge's case, you should know, guys. With this, I would like to conclude today's session, guys. Okay, this week we are going to cover the entire polity. Most important topics we will be covering it, guys. How many of you like the session, guys? How many of you like the session? Okay, all important topics will be covered. Do not worry. Again, I repeat, go through my important topic list. Go through my important topic list. Go through my FLTs. A lot of questions are going to come from my FLTs. Let me tell you, a lot of questions are going to come from FLTs. People who are struggling with current affairs, I will tell you, please go through the PPP, prelims power play, PPP. Please go through the prelims power play. Very, very important, guys. Very, very important. Okay. Today, I have told you 25th Amendment, 42nd Amendment, 44th Amendment. Please read these 3 amendments. Amendments are very important. Amendments are very important this year. Basic structure very important this year. Supreme Court very important this year. Judicial review very important this year. Judicial review very, very important this year, guys. Okay. Okay. Anybody? Okay. Before we leave, okay, before you leave, anyone has any problem? Okay. People, if you like these sessions, please do share these sessions with your friends. Guys, please do share these sessions with your friends. Please go and watch the previous sessions also. We have taken at least, I think, a lot of live sessions. We have taken rapid revision sessions. These are sessions very, very useful for the prelims examination, guys. Okay. Thank you, guys. Good night. Good night.